Everybody, and welcome to this first tutorial of TCJSgame. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to use V3 in TCJSgame. So what is TCJSgame? TCJSgame is a lightweight JavaScript game engine. It's also a framework. Make it easier for you to create games in TCJSgame. I'm going to teach you how to set up your environment in TCJSgame. So first of all, to set your environment in TCJSgame, you have to go you first download TCJSgame from the TCJSgame website. So let me just show you some curriculum I want to cover in this tutorial. So first of all, we're going to be looking at introduction to TCJSgame, which we are just done, setting up environment and the game structure. I think I've been doing all this five for now. So first of all, then I have TCJSgame downloaded. The link to TCJSgame download is in the description, so you can go download the TCJSgame and work and start coding. So first of all, I'll open VS Code. For now, because I want to copy the file. You can see we have TCJSgame V3. This is a new version. It's a version of TCJSgame. So I'll just move this here. Let me just copy it because I was testing. So next thing I'll do, I'll go to make my TCJSgame file. And what I will do here is just open the terminal and then what I'll do next, I'll just wait for this to load. Let's cancel this for a while. Then I'll say cd doc code in the current directory. Yeah, see we have this here. So I'm still working on the text documentation of TCJSgame, so all this will be inside here, so you can start creating your own game in TCJSgame. So if you actually like, don't forget to like and subscribe, and the rest of the stuff. Then yeah, we have the script.js. So this is something. So first of all, let's just create something called game.html. Right. Then we will set up normal stuff. So then we'll do something like game.js. That's where we'll do some JS stuff. This is quite cool. So let's do sheet 1. I'll just set everything up. Then we have our TCJSgame here. So I'll just do sheet 1, enter. Then this is like script screen, which is TCJSgame V3. Okay, then in the game of JS, I want to start coding. Well, first of all, we'll const display. Now your equals to new display. Okay, I'll just open this here so I will be able to see the snippet. That is display. Yeah. So close bracket. So what this thing do is actually does, for setting up your TCJSgame. It's actually yeah, so it sets up your TCJSgame for your environment. It's a set up game environment, and then afterwards let's now create the canvas. So what we now do is now do display dot start. So yeah, display dot start. So in this parameter I can just put a width and a height. So let's give it a width of 70 and let's give it a height of 300. Then I can also put a node where I want to render this. So I'll put the document the body. But just know that by default it is always in document body, but you want to put it like in a dialog tag or anything else, you can put it here. But I will be using there's a default width and height for this. So we'll come here, then for us to see our game we will just come here and our canvas. So we'll just come here and do something like this. What's the name again? Script style, yeah. So that's a canvas. So then that's a background color. It's goes to, let me see, Alice. I like this color. So let's go live. Yeah, it's not about to go live. Okay, let's see what we have here. Okay, we should have seen our canvas already. Okay, we have linked this. Oh, I don't read the GS, so that's script. I don't read the GS yet. Source goes to game.js. So now this is our canvas here. So now next I'm going to be showing you how you can manipulate the canvas using TCJSgame.